keep on growing, keep on growing, keep on growing now.
Beautiful. Alrighty guys, today we're going to be setting up our self-watering adapter for Gatorade bottles. Now my son designed this one because he was drinking Gatorade and found out these bottles are really tough compared to the pop bottles. So he said it's a shame to toss those in recycling, and he went ahead and made an adapter for it. Now, when we're at the store, we noticed that a lot of other ones had the same size top on it. This is ocean spray, cranberry, apple, grape, all of those bottles. Just check out the lid. If it's about the same size, it might fit. We found this acai bottle that fits on it too. So what we're gonna do, if you have a smaller bowl in this, you can use a Gatorade bottle. We're gonna show you how to set up one really big, because this will hold a whole quart of nutrients, which is gonna take you through your full grow on this microgreens, which we're gonna grow red arrow radish, one of my favorites. So pretty much it's gonna go in like that and set right in there like that. So let's get it set up. Now, go ahead and get your supplies together. You're gonna need nutrients, clay pebbles, and of course seeds, which we've got red arrow radish. If you haven't looked at our other videos on the nutrients, clay pebbles, and seeds yet, go ahead and check those out first. Let's get started. All right, as always, we're gonna put our bottle inside of our bowl. That way if we spill any, it doesn't matter. We like to keep things carefree, just have fun. Fill this all the way up to the top. Just like that. And put a little bit in the bowl. Got a little bit more here. Put about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in the bottom. All right, now you put your lid on. As always, we said you don't have to screw it on real tight. Just snug like that and flip it over. That's it. And as you can see, it stopped draining in because we had a little bit of water in the bottom, right? So this is gonna keep that water level constant right there. That's the key. Now you get your clay pebbles and you wanna fill it up higher than that. So it doesn't have to be all the way to the top here. It can be about halfway up as long as it's up higher than that level. And we're gonna grow radish in here. That's why we have such a deep one. Radish grows fast. Like in 4 or 5 days, you're gonna have sprouts that are a couple inches tall, right? And if you don't have something to hold them up, they'll start to all fall over. So this is gonna take you through the entire grow, and it's gonna keep all your radish standing straight up. It's gonna look awesome. All right, let's go ahead and fill this up. To about, let's call it about halfway. That looks like about enough. Now you won't want it too deep because it'll take too long for the roots to find their way down to the water. But if you come in close, you can see the water levels right to there. And this part up here is going to start to dry out as the plant starts to grow. If we filled it up to here, the roots would have to go down all the way down there to get water. So all we want to do is your water level and get a little bit above it. All right, these are damp because I rinsed them off. If yours are dry, make sure you spritz them really well. Get it good and damp so your seeds would germinate. And I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of radish seeds and just sprinkle them around. Just nice and even. That's it. A little bit of water. Make sure it's nice and damp to get germinated. And our foil to cover it up. Like I said, if you want to use plastic wrap, you can do that, but just put this in a dark place to germinate with the foil that blocks out the light. And it keeps the moisture in. That's all you have to do. Same as other adapters. Come back the next day, take a peek inside. If it looks dry, give it another little spritz. Keep it damp until they germinate. Here in Florida, we have a lot of humidity. I usually just leave the set 3 or 4 days. Those sprouts will be pushing up on the foil. At that point, take the foil off and just set it and forget it. There's enough nutrients in here to grow a load of radish microgreens. You're gonna love this one. So that's your self-watering adapter that you can use with Gatorade, Powerade bottles, and most juice bottles that are out there. Just check the lid and you'll be able to set up your own continuous harvest system nice and easy, just like that. So go grow some food, keep on growing.